driveway was very uneven and was leveling up. So we decided to figure out a way to get it level and either call a company and have them come in and tear the whole thing out, which I didn't want, because that's putting more stuff in the landfill. So that's why when I seen your ad on TV that you could expand foam underneath it and raise it up rather than tear, you know, and that takes a day versus a week. Immediately, the water was flowing back down the driveway rather than up towards the house.
And just the overall look. I mean, it just, especially from the street, you couldn't tell that there had been any damage to the driveway. Unless you're walking over to see where the old cracks were, it looked really nice.
And we've had people walk by and said the driveway looks a lot better. Just remarked, neighbors, wow, looks really good.
It went well. He was very thorough. I like the fact that he does the company as well as the product, so that we had an understanding of exactly how the procedure would go, and have a good feel that we made a good choice as far as who would be doing the work. So, they were phenomenal. I'd say that they made all the difference in the world. There was some discrepancy when they first showed up as far as what we thought was going to be able to be done, and then when the techs, of course, are on the job, sometimes there's a difference of what they're actually going to be able to do. And the lead tech, Jackie, just was amazing in being able to assess exactly what our major concerns were, what they could do, and having it all arranged. We ended up having no additional expenses. Everything got done that was most important, and they still finished it in a day, even though we had some delays. So her and Renee did a great job.
It was the only company that we find that would leave the existing concrete rather than tear up the driveway and redo it, and I didn't want to do that.
Plus also, we're Google people, so by going by the rating and the reviews, you know, that gives us a good incentive to reach out. And I think once we met the sales tech, it was just kind of like, yeah, I think this is the company to go with. So, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
I only recommend them to anyone else in the neighborhood or anyone else that needs driveway straightening or even foundation work.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I've actually put them in my phone, so that's why I can actually give people the name and number if anybody asks. And we even have some additional work that in future we're weighing some options to have them come back.
And just come back and do some additional work, and if our house ever needs foundation repair, we will definitely call you.